Again, it's the fourth burn. We're at 34 psi. I've been controlling the water manually. The gauge won't work with the vertical pipes. I'll show you why. If you can see that diagram. Okay, we have the water in here, the steam out here, and the sensor probe here. The water level's up here, say, and when it drops, gets to say around about here or something, then the steam starts to become dry, and then the switch will work, but then it's got to fill up all of these. So I've been maintaining the level, trying manually, and so far I've been keeping it at 30, just under. Needs another little bit of water. Consuming 2 amps there. Oh, might have put too much water in then. We're dropping on the gauge. Turbine's not too bad. I noticed something with the fire thing. I poked too much wood in there and blocked up the end with coals. I cleared it out and we're back in line, running again. I'm just about out of wood. It's hard to maintain the water level. I think I might have to go to the pancake coil type inside. And that should work if you look at the diagram. So this is my version. If you turn that way, that would be the pancake style, and the water level would drop down to about there, and it would be hot enough to activate that switch. So it was a bit of hit and miss with my design. I know it wasn't the right one, but I had some metal laying around. I had a diverter on there to match the flow rate, but it's pretty tricky. Currently with the monotube boilers, the water flow has to match the steam usage to get a stabler burn. We're dropping in pressure now. Give it some water. Oh, overfilled it, as you can tell. Have water coming out of the nozzle. So it's pretty tricky. Can't see how much water is actually in there. We're at 20 psi. Give the fire a little wobble. Okay, I'm going to stick some more wood in there and I'll be back. Okay, I loaded up some more wood. We're back at 30 psi. It's only been like about less than 5 minutes. I've got the valve still open a bit. Turbine's still going good. So it's still damp. Add some water. Yeah, the steam's drying out now. Taken an hour to work out the water level almost. Still not there yet. Oh! Got the valve open fully now. I'll give it some more water. That's too much water probably. Turn the valve off. Oh, we're shuttering. Alright, 40. Just under. Maybe the valve needs to be a bit. Oh, too much water. They're slowing down now. I think I might have put too much water in. Well, not enough. Yeah, too much. Just added some extra and it dropped heaps. Alright, I'll let that burn off a bit and see if I can keep the pressure up. We climb pretty well, but it just won't hold. It was working much better the other day with no water. Well, when you overfill it, it certainly drops in pressure. Fire's still pretty warm, but I'm going to let it run out and see what we get out of it next. So probably next winter maybe I might get this going again with some pancake coils. I'm going back to battery making. Cheaper. Yeah. But I'll get this up and running. I'll save some money and get some pancake coils put in there. That should perform a lot better. We do raise a bit, but I'm pretty unsure how much water's actually in there. Yeah, see, we got water in there. Got barely a smidgen opened on that. Enough to turn that still. Well, there you go, a failed boiler. What not to do. Trying to save money, never works. No, it was only $120 for those elbows in there. All the rest of the stuff I can keep. Housing's still good. This setup's not bad. If I get sick of the steam engine, I could make a rocket stove already there. Blown a bit different. It's not as hot today, I don't think, the fire. Must be out of water. Alright, let's put some water in and be careful. Oh yeah, we're out of water. Oh, blow off valve. Oh, no blow off valve. Oh yeah, there it goes. There goes all my steam. We're a bit dry. See, the water level is hard. Now it's cooling down. Well, in 2 hours I couldn't work out the water flow and the steam usage. Well, now that's cooled the tubes off. Yeah, so don't go vertical with your tubes. Bad idea. I'm adding more water. Oh, we're getting flash steaming. Oh, look out. Oh, there goes the valve again. Rightio. Enough fun for today. I'm going to let that burn dry. Perhaps a little bit more. I'm adding water. I'm adding a lot of water. Maybe there's not so much water in there. Oh, look out. Blow off valve? No, not getting there. A smidgen extra water and it drops down a bit. Oh, we're back up. Might need more water. Alright, thanks for watching. I'm back again. I thought I'd put the remaining bit of wood in. I think I might have found a sweet spot. I got the bypass open on the pump. It's pretty much nearly all the way open. So we're bypassing that. And for 5 minutes it's been starting to increase. I might have, after 2 hours of struggling, just found the right water level. Turbine's going, we'll go see if it's dry or wet. It's a bit of water flicking up. It's spraying water out. Oh, the pressure's going up. the steam clearer, I think. Overflow's still going. Pressure's right up to 40. Oh, might have got it. I've done a call it a failure. Valve's open fully. I think I have found the flow rate. Fire's still going good. That's all the wood I got left. Doesn't like that sort of wood, it's too thick. Oh, we're going to blow off. Now it's really hiking along. That's 45 psi. We're starting to cool down now. Turn the water pump off. Maybe we're out of water again, not enough. I'll adjust the valve. Not enough water, I think. Close it right off. Opening in a bit. Climb back up to 30. We're dropping off now. I think we're putting too much water in. Oh no, I'll open the valve right up. Maybe more water. I'll try that. I got the valve completely off. Now we're dropping really badly. Oh, the pipes are shuddering. See what the valve's got. No, we mustn't have any water. Not really sure. And we're spewing water out now. Yeah, that's it. If you can see the stream of water, I'm getting really wet. It's only warm. Alright, that's today's run of the brawler. Thanks for watching.